In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change workspace name on Notion. If you've ever wanted your Notion workspace to better reflect your team, project, or company, renaming it is quick and straightforward. I'll walk you through each click so you know exactly where everything is and what to expect along the way. Start by opening your browser and heading to Notion.com. On the home page, look for the Login button and click it. For this walkthrough, we'll use the Google option on the sign-in screen. Click Google, then choose the Google account that's connected to your Notion workspace. If you're already signed in, you might be taken into Notion automatically. Make sure you're using the same account that has access to the workspace you want to rename. Once you're in Notion, look to the top left area where your current workspace name appears. There's a small drop-down next to the name. Click that drop-down to reveal more options. If you belong to multiple workspaces, take a moment to confirm you're viewing the correct one before you continue. From the drop-down menu, click Settings. This opens the Settings panel where you'll find options related to your account and your workspace. In the left-hand menu, select General to access the core workspace preferences. Next, click Workspace Settings. This is where you can adjust key workspace details, including its name. Find the field labeled Workspace Name. Click directly in that field to activate it. You'll see the existing name highlighted or ready for editing. Type your new workspace name carefully. Aim for something clear and descriptive so members can instantly recognize where they are. Think team name, department, or project identifier. Keep it concise to prevent the name from getting truncated in the sidebar. Notion typically saves changes automatically, so once you've entered the new name, give it a second to apply. If you see any prompt to confirm or close, go ahead and do that. After the change is saved, look back to the top left corner of Notion and confirm the updated name appears. This is what your members will see across the sidebar and in invites. If the new name doesn't show up right away, try refreshing the page. Also note that you can return to these settings anytime to revise the name again as your team or project evolves. A clear naming convention helps keep everyone oriented and reduces confusion, especially if you juggle multiple workspaces. That's it. Your Notion workspace now has a new name. Thanks for following along, and enjoy the cleaner, more organized look.